Alright, I am back. I'll be doing, or continuing the Minas Tirith set. Sorry, 1 second. I know I've been stalling with this set and all that. This one's a little bit more tedious than some of the other sets I have, So that's kind of why it's been taking so long with this one. But yeah, I'm gonna try and do as much as I can. My goal will be to try and complete just this bag. Just depends, really, on just how long it takes. So yeah, that's the goal for today at least. I don't really have any updates per se. I completed Red Dead Redemption yesterday. But I did go back on today to play, or just to do the achievement for the grizzly bears. The achievement is if you kill and skin 18 grizzly bears, you get the achievement. So I just went on and did that. I did get it. I didn't really bother recording it just because it's just a small little thing to do. So yeah, I didn't even bother recording, to be honest. Just because it could have taken 5 minutes, it could have taken 2 hours. I wasn't entirely sure. Since I didn't have any quests set up or anything, I didn't really see the point. And it would have been more kind of interesting, I guess, for some people. It really just wasn't for me. So yeah. But yeah, other than that, I haven't really. I did play a little bit, like 10 minutes worth of Minecraft, but for some reason, none of the servers were really working, so I just kind of stopped. So if you end up seeing that, that's what happened with the short video. Yeah, so I didn't want to bother continuing recording if it was just like keep giving me errors. Let's see. Like I say, this is why if installing is I can't see for nothing. I hope I'm saying this stuff correctly, just because it's just so small. Not really sure what this light is for. I'll find out eventually. I assume it's just to give it the ambiance of lights and whatnot. So who knows? And I keep checking the cameras just to make sure it's focused where it needs to be. I'm trying to remember if I mentioned it or not, but I did get the Hedwig set, that Lego set. I'll be doing that at some point. Same as the Easter Lego set. Guess it is just that.